The Apple Watch is the ultimate tool for fitness, communication, and convenience. It tracks your steps, monitors your heart rate, and even keeps you connected without pulling out your phone. But let's be honest, it's just missing something. A watch shouldn't just be about telling time, it's about presence. It's making a statement. And right now, the Apple Watch, it doesn't command attention and it doesn't command respect. But what if I can change all that? There's absolutely no denying the Apple Watch is a powerhouse. It tracks your workouts, gives you instant access to your messages, and even for some, it will replace a traditional phone. But here's the truth, it still looks kind of like a gadget. Meanwhile, luxury watches have been symbols of power for centuries. Kings wore them, CEOs wear them, collectors chase them, because beyond just telling time, they tell a story. So what happens when you take this, a modern marvel of technology, infuse it with the timeless allure of diamonds? We get something completely different. Now, I'm not just slapping some diamonds on an Apple Watch. We're gonna craft a completely custom diamond case, engineered to enhance both luxury and function. It starts with precision design. Every curve, every millimeter has to complement the Apple Watch's sleek aesthetic. We create a 3D model, ensuring the diamonds won't just sit there, they'll flow with the watch's design. Once the design is set, we bring it to life. We cast the case in solid gold, silver, or stainless steel. Because we're elevating the Apple Watch, we're going all the way. Then comes the most critical part, the diamonds. I hand select them and hand set them. And then they're placed with the precision master craftsman, because the difference between flashy and flawless is always in the details. This is no longer just a watch. It's no longer just a piece of technology. It's a statement, a fusion in innovation and tradition. You're no longer wearing a gadget, you're wearing an icon. From the boardroom to the gala, from the gym to the yacht, this watch demands attention. The Apple Watch is powerful, but with diamonds, it becomes legendary. All right, you guys, we made it to the end of the video. And if you'd like to go ahead and check this watch out, go ahead and check the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you later.